guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and delicious Caesar salad chicken sandwich. If you love sandwiches, then stick around and see how it all turned out. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me thank all of my new subscribers, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So no talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut around 10 to 15 leaves off this romaine lettuce, and I'm taking a knife and I'm going to cut out the core. So now I'm just going to slice up my romaine lettuce and just put it in a bowl and set it to the side, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a homemade Caesar salad dressing. So to start off, I'm going to rough chop 2 fresh garlic cloves. And now I'm going to mince very finely 2 to 3 anchovies. Because in a separate bowl, I'm going to add 1 egg yolk. And now I'm going to add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and just give it a quick whisk. And now I'm going to slowly pour in 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to continue to whisk very quickly until it thickens up and emulsifies. Once everything is smooth and thick, I'm going to now add in the chopped garlic and the anchovies. And now I'm going to grate 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And at the very end, I'm just going to season it with some sea salt and some black pepper and just mix everything together, and then you just want to set it to the side. So you guys, Black Friday is around the corner, and I want to thank Firmoo for collaborating with me on this video. And if you never heard of Firmoo, well, let me tell you. So Firmoo is an online optical store, and you know what, the holidays are coming up, and if you're shopping around or in the mood for some brand new glasses and you don't want to break the bank, go ahead and log on and you have your pick, both men and women and children, of many different styles of glasses. Firmoo was nice enough to reach out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to try some of their glasses, and they just came in the mail, and let me show you the ones that I picked out. And I really have to say, it was so hard for me to pick a pair, you guys. There's so many to choose from, but these are my first pair that I got, and I really love them. And for the longest time, I've wanted to get some sunglasses, and these are the ones that I got, and they're kind of similar to aviators. Yeah, really nice as well. And both of the glasses are prescriptions, so all you have to do is just send in your prescriptions and they'll send you a beautiful pair of glasses. And of course, I could not wait to try them on. I was so happy with both of my selections. So definitely go online and check out Firmoo if you're looking for an affordable pair of glasses, you guys. There is no reason to pay an arm and a leg when you can save a whole lot of money. And again, Black Friday is around the corner, and I'm going to leave all the information in the description box down below, so go ahead and click the link. And not only are you going to save money, I'm going to add a 50% discount code that you can use so you can buy yourself an affordable pair of glasses. So now I'm ready to prep the chicken, and I have some boneless chicken breast. And I always just like to rinse it off just a little bit and just take a paper towel to get rid of the extra moisture. And now I'm just going to take 2 of the breasts and I'm going to slice it right down the middle. Now at this point, I'm going to cover the breast with some plastic wrap and just take a rolling pin or whatever you have and just pound it out. Depending on how thick your meat is, I'm going to pound it out to a 1/2 inch thick. And of course, on both sides of the chicken, I'm going to season with some sea salt and some black pepper. So my chicken is ready to go, and now I'm going to set up a breading station. So in the first plate, I'm going to add 2 cups of Italian panko breadcrumbs. And now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of shredded or grated Parmesan cheese and a teaspoon of Italian seasonings, and go ahead and mix that together. In a separate dish, I'm going to crack and scramble 2 eggs. Now in the last dish, I'm just going to add 1/3 cup of flour, and I'm going to season it with sea salt and black pepper. You just want to make sure that everything is seasoned and it's going to taste delicious on every level. So now I'm ready to start breading the chicken. So the first thing you want to do is you want to dip the chicken first in the flour on both sides. And now you want to dip the chicken breast in the egg wash. And now you want to coat both sides with the panko breadcrumbs and just continue to do it until all your chicken is done. Okay, my chicken is looking really great, so let's head on over to the stove where I'm going to heat up a skillet of some vegetable oil on high. Now once your oil is hot enough, you want to carefully place the chicken in the hot oil. So now I'm just going to leave my chicken alone and let it fry for 5 minutes before it's time to flip over. And now I'm ready to flip my chicken over, and I'm going to let it fry for another 3 minutes. And you just know this chicken is going to be so good. Look how golden brown that looks. Now after 3 minutes of cooking, I'm just going to take the chicken out and let it rest on a cooling rack and just finish the last piece. So the chicken is done. This is how it looks, and let's start making some sandwiches. So the bread I'm going to use is the ciabatta bread, but you can absolutely use a sandwich roll. And I'm just going to spread some mayonnaise really quickly on both sides. And right now I'm ready to add the romaine lettuce that I chopped up earlier to the Caesar salad dressing, and just take some tongs and just toss it together and making sure that everything is coated really good. Place the chicken cutlet on the ciabatta bread and top it off with the Caesar salad. And go crazy, put as much as you want. And now I'm going to add some shredded Parmesan cheese. So if you love Caesar salads and you love fried chicken and you love a sandwich, this is the perfect combination. Perfect for any day of the week, either lunch or dinner. But of course, make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.